Hello guys, Valentine Ose here for Graded Picture Playground. If this is your first time on this channel, hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell to get notified when new video is uploaded. In this tutorial, I want to show you the audio panel. To locate the audio panel, you come to the top of your workspace. After the effect, you have your audio. This is how it appears. This section is for effects. When you click at the top of this corner, this is the mixer. So let's drop a clip with audio on the timeline, just like this. So let's drop it here. This is it. Let's play.
What is wrong with you now? Eh? You were outside waiting for me. I went in to take my bath.
So this is the audio. This has an audio. If you come to your audio panel, just like this, this is how it appears. So let's play. So you see that you have audio 1, which is for the audio track 1. You have audio 2 for audio track 2. You have audio 3 for audio track 3. Even if you end up having up to 20 tracks, that is how they will display on this audio panel. So this other channel here is for the master control. The master means that even if it's 10 channels, this is the overall control on how you determine what goes out as the pitch of your audio. If you play these, so whatever audio that you are controlling here is every audio that is on this track 1. If you are scrolling this knob, you are affecting all the audio track. These are for individual tracks, while this is the control for the entire tracks that are in your project. When you come to the top corner, this is where you see this triangle. When you click on it, this is how it pops up. So you see that this dialog box has 3 partitions. You have this down part, which houses the control, your effect control. This center part is where you determine the kind of audio means that you want to create. If you want to master, fine. If you want to create mono, sub-mix. So these are where you apply those settings. So this top part is where you apply your effects. Let's take, for instance, we want to apply echo and delay. Then we pick the analog delay. When you play, this is what you get.
What is wrong with you? Eh? You were outside waiting for me. I went in to take my...
You see that echo has been applied. If you want it dry, wet, delay, feedback, depends on how you want the audio to sound. So you told you there that this is the knob at which you want to control it. This is how it works. So if you want to apply anything on the entire mastered audio, this is where you now come and apply any of the effects that you want the mastered audio to sound like. This is the simple way to apply effect. Then on the other hand, you can come to your edit channel, then you click on effects. Then under your effects, you come to audio effects. You see that there are lots of plugins that are also available, just as it was on the audio channel mixer. These are the various effects which are present in that audio part, just as you have it here. If you apply any effect and you want to get it out, it's just to click on this same spot and highlight none, and that effect will be gone. This is the way to locate the mixer and the channel where you can easily apply your effects and have control on it. I hope this tutorial helps, and if this is your first time on this channel, hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell to get notified when new video is uploaded. See you in our next tutorial.